Hello, my loves. This is the perfect meditation designed to make your specific person realize how much they regret losing you. By listening regularly, you will energetically shift their thoughts, feelings, and actions toward missing you deeply, feeling miserable without you, and desiring to reconcile with you. Listen to this 3 to 5 times a day for best results. Now let's begin. They realized losing me was the biggest mistake of their life. They can't stop thinking about how much they missed me. Every moment without me feels empty and meaningless to them. They deeply regret the choices they made that pushed me away. They feel a constant ache in their heart because I am not there. They long to fix things and make everything right with me. They replay our memories together and feel an overwhelming sense of loss. They feel miserable every time they think about how perfect I was for them. They are consumed with guilt for letting someone as amazing as me go. They realize now that nobody else can compare to me. They feel the intense pull to reach out and apologize to me. They are ready to do whatever it takes to have me back in their life. They are so miserable without me. They feel sad without me. They can't imagine their life without me. No one really cares about them as much as I do, and they see that every day. They appreciate me so much. They are so in love with me. They never want to lose me. They cry when they miss me. They cry when they know I am not around. Their life feels miserable without me. They are begging for me back. They regret ever doing anything wrong to me. They regret every single mistake they ever did to me. They feel awful forever thinking of leaving me. Being without me is the hardest thing they ever did. They want to be with me forever. They feel so lonely without me. No one can ever make them feel the way I do. They have never met anyone like me. I am always on their mind. They always want to stay by my side. They are so sad without me. They feel like they are at their worst without me. I am their only purpose. There is no happiness for them outside of me. They are so miserable without me. Until they do right by me, everything in their life will go wrong. Their life has been falling apart without me. They are in shambles without me. They cry missing me. Nothing makes sense to them without me. They are so lost and confused without me. They haven't felt joy or pleasure since the last time they saw me. Their days are cold, sad, boring, and dreadful without me. I am the light, the warmth, and the joy of their life. They miss me desperately. I am their lucky charm. I improve their life so much. They miss my love and care. They can't eat without me. They are constantly thinking about me. The thought of me moving on makes them feel completely miserable. They only feel happy when they are around me. I am their peace of mind. I am the reason their life has meaning. Their heart aches for me. They need me more than oxygen. They live to serve me. it is already done. Type, "They are miserable without me," to affirm this meditation. And if you desire for them to come back to you faster, just like Walter and Lady T, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and you can get a proposal of marriage from your specific person, just like Tawana, or get results like any one of my thousands of clients. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.